Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Askani Group of Companies. Today I bring very exciting and most demanding collection by Arham Textile, Rangrez. 3-piece suits. Product detail are heavy neck embroidery with printed shirt, printed chiffon dupatta, embroidery trouser, fabric fine quality lawn fabric with 82 out of 80 stuff, shirt fabric lawn, dupatta fabric chiffon. For order, visit our website www.askanigroupofcompanies or you can order us through our social media links. Links are in description box. For more interesting and exciting offers, kindly follow our social media links. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.